In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI images without the headache of complicated prompts. Seriously, it's like skipping the long-winded instructions and jumping straight to the good part. Most people don't even realize this trick exists. But trust me, it's a game changer. And you're going to have so much fun. Today I want to introduce you to another Google AI tool called Whisk. This is so fun to use. Here's the beginning screen. It's weird, unique, experimental, and fun all at the same time. You could make a sticker, pin, or a plushie. Let's try one. I'm going to turn this into a plushie. Let's see what we get. There you go. If you're feeling lucky, you can roll the dice and see what you get. If you look over here, you can see what you need to input to make a new image. How about the robot and the dog together at the beach? Plushie style? And there it is. This is the prompt that it created for this image. If you want to make changes to this, you could. Watch this. Here are the ones I made earlier. It's really not quite exactly what I wanted, but this is still in the early phases, but it does make some really interesting images. So let's go back. Click off of these for now. If you click there on the settings, you can see your choices. Let's make a sticker. I'll put a subject here, and a scene, and the style. Let's just delete that and see what it gives us without a prompt as an experiment. Check this out. So there's the car, the scene, and here's the style. Just look at that. And here's the prompt. You can refine it if you want to. Click there to download. If you wanted to, you could change your aspect ratio here. So there are a lot of cool things to try, but for now, I'm going to come down here. This might be a tool you could really have a good time using with your kids. Imagine what you might make together. Now I want to come here and make something from scratch. Again, it's very simple. You just add something in each slot and then give it a prompt. Remember, fill the subject, scene, and style. Oh, this is very cool. And here's the prompt. If you wanted to change it, you could. But for now, I won't do that. So let's try something else. Let's delete these for now. Wow, this is cool. So there's my car, here's the scene, and here is the style. We can very clearly see the Van Gogh style. Here's the meadow, there's the car. Here is the prompt that it made for us. And there's another one. And you can even see the details in the brush strokes. So really, really amazing. I'll delete these. Let's try one more. This is my subject, my scene, and the style. The cat's on vacation. These are really cute. There's a cat at the beach. It does not look happy. And here's the prompt. So you see, it can handle a lot of different styles. Just put in your pieces. You don't even have to worry about adding a prompt if you don't want to. Let's see what it would give us without one. You can experiment, and it's a lot of fun. That's really pretty. That's a little bit more of a watercolor, and the cat looks very unhappy, but very nice. I like it. So if you want to have some fun, come to Whisk and play with it. It's just a good thing to try, and I think you'll enjoy it. Plus, it's very, very easy to use. And if you want to review your images when you're done, you can go to your library and see everything you've created. So there you go. So come to Whisk and have some fun. And let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you made with it.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.